It may look like a blast from the past, but it's built for the future. Let's see what this device is all about. Inside the box, you get a nostalgic tribute note to the original Macintosh, the RayCue 128K Pro itself, a power adapter, and a high quality color matched USB-C cable. Everything's thoughtfully designed. You can really tell the brand has put care into every detail. At the basic level, you can customize the screen display, choosing between 12-hour or 24-hour clock setup with multiple options for clock faces. And if you're a Mac user like me, setup is really simple. Just plug the USB-C cable into your iMac or MacBook, connect the HDMI from RayCue to your monitor, and that's it, you're up and running. If your Mac doesn't recognize it, it's likely just missing a drive. I've linked the website in the description where you can download it easily. Now let's talk power. This little thing comes with 14 high-speed ports. With the RayCue, I've got 2 hard drives, 3 SSDs and 2 monitors, all plugged in and everything running smoothly without a glitch. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. It really helps me keep making honest, in-depth videos about cool creative tools like this one. The front hot swap port handy too. Great for memory cards, USB drives, quick transfers or even fast charge. The front USB-C port delivers 20 watts of power, which is perfect for most of your devices like iPhone, iPad or even MacBook. Another great feature is that you can actually use the built-in display to play slideshows of your favorite photos or even video playback with audio. Just drag and drop your media files into the right folder and you're good to go. Now I know it's not Bluetooth, but honestly that's what makes it even more charming. There's something super nostalgic about the whole process. Remember downloading MP3s and videos to burn your own CDs? Yes, this gives off the exact same energy. A little 90s throwback moment right at your desk. And the speakers. They've got this retro tone that's hard to describe. Overall, this adorable yet powerful device has been a great addition to my still work in progress desk setup. Definitely a must have for anyone looking to blend aesthetics and functionality.